Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Delia and I would highly appreciate if you guys click the subscribe button and join my family. So today's video, first, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm back and I did this look for you guys today. This is a little gold brown look using the Nomad palette by Juvia's Place. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, so I'm gonna be going in with my concealer and priming my lids. I haven't made a video in forever, so it finally feels good to make one. I promise I will be on top of my game. But yeah, we're just gonna prime and buff all that out with a brush. Today's palette we're using is the Nomad palette by Juvia's Place. We're going to be going in with this like burnt brown orange shade. They don't have names, so I don't know. But we're going to take that and we're going to be putting that in our crease. Next, we're going in with this kind of yellow, and we're going to be putting that on top of where like our brown bone is at and stuff like that, just so it's kind of like faded. You guys know I love that faded effect. Next, we're going in with this like brown olive shade, and we're going to be putting that in our crease to give it a little bit more definition. So now we're going to do a half cut crease. You guys know that I love doing my half cut creases. I gotta start doing some other looks than just cut creases, but yeah. Now we're going in with this middle gold shade, kind of like a gold brown and olive shade, and I really like it. It looks so good on top of this concealer. Back in with that olive shade. We're gonna be blending out the corners just so you don't see where I stopped the crease. Going in with this darker brown, we're gonna add that on top and give the outer corner a little bit of a definition. Taking my Morphe Gel Liner. Oh my god, you guys, this is freaking amazing. It's so creamy. I love it. I've tried other gel eyeliners. I love this one, but the very first one that I fell in love with was the Maybelline, and I just stopped getting it. But yeah, you guys, we're gonna do a wing. So this was so random because I was trying to pick up my lashes in the back, obviously, and my daughter came and she took over for a second. She's such a character. She is hilarious, checking out her teeth. And then she's over here trying to be freaking little makeup artist herself. She's so funny, you guys. She poked herself in the eye. So I ended up using the LashBarLa's Boss Babe lashes. So pretty. I gotta clean them though. Going in with Anastasia's, I think this is stripped or striped liquid lipstick. I don't know. I freaking forgot. But I'll double check it. Then I just went in with a clear gloss because it looks weird on me. And I'm starting to like a lot more glossy lips. The Anastasia dries like matte. Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this little video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys click that like button, subscribe to my channel, join my family, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.